Okay, good day everyone. So for this video, I'll be discussing the instructions for the problem set number 2. So for this problem set, there are three main problems. So you're going to answer them. So meaning you're going to answer problems 1, 2, and 3 and do it as indicated by the problem. So the topics are about hyperbola, which was discussed during our midterms, and systems of nonlinear equation, which was discussed during the first discussions ato ang semifinals. So you're going to show your step-by-step solution and please enclose your final answer. So each of the problems, so sa problem number 1, there are A, B, C, D. So that is 10 points each. Meaning, for problem number 1, it is worth 40 points in total. So write your answer in a clean sheet of paper, then take photos of your answer and send it sa Quipper. So, mali ni siya dili sa Google Classroom. So, it should be sent sa Quipper essay. Okay, so the deadline for this submission is on December 3, 11:59 p.m. So, midnight. So, if you are going to submit it late, then of course there will be deduction of points. And I will not accept submissions beyond December 7. Okay? So the early the better sa submission, okay? Again, deadline December 3, 11:59 p.m. and the latest or pinaka last nga submission will be on December 7. So beyond that date, I will no longer accept your problem set. So for problem number 1, you're going to give the coordinates of the center foci, vertices, and asymptotes of the hyperbola with the given equation below, kani ABCD. Then you are asked to sketch the graph and indicate those points and lines. So for ABCD, so dapat na mo'y graph ani. So you may use graphing paper para mas neat ang inyong answers. So for number 2, you are given with standard equation sa hyperbola. I mean, you're asked to find the standard equation of the hyperbola which satisfies the given condition. So for letter A, its foci is -4, -3, and -4, 13, and so on. So natin A, B, C, D. For number 3, this is the systems of nonlinear equations. So solve the systems or the roots of the systems or where the equations intersect. So solve for x and y, then uh, sketch the graph kung line ba siya or curved circle. So depende sa given nga equation. So for number 2, dili na siya need sketch. So only problems 1 and 3 ang need is sketch. So again, you have to answer problems 1 to 3. And for your video recorded output, this is to be passed on December 6. So ang problem set kay sa December 3, ang video recorded output sa December 6. So you're going to record a video discussion based on the problem assigned to you. So there will be one problem each of you nga naka-assign. So only that problem ang inyong i-discuss sa inyong video recorded output. Then make sure that ang inyong video kay o inyong audio kay clear. Okay? Ayan ang sangit-ngit mo pag-record ha. So dapat makita, ma-visualize o maayo ang inyong solution, ang inyong audio kay clear, inyong tingog, and walay mga background nga mga noises. So after you recorded your video discussion sa inyong answers, so you're going to upload your video, recorded video in your Google Drive and make sure nga naka-public siya or you give access to my Gmail para ma-view na ko siya. Then you are going to copy its link, then you submit it through the Kuiper essay, which I will provide later. Okay? So in your discussion, you must use the English language in discussing your answers dili magbinisaya. So this is to practice also. And remember, this video recorded output is worth 15% of your final grade. Okay? So for kani example si Alger, he will going to discuss problem 1A. Si Barolo, he will discuss problem 1B, Kaangay 1C, and so on. So kato nga problems dari na sa taas. So for oral report, this will be reported on December 8 and 9 sa tuang during sa tuang klase. So we are going to meet live ani sa atong klase for your oral report. So for those student nga humana og oral report, then exempted na sila. So di na sila mo balik. As I said, you are asked to discuss your answers sa atong klase, uh, at least one problem sa atong klase. So since last time gamay ra ang nadulod, gamay ra ni volunteer. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students ang nahumana og report sa atong klase. Okay, so the same lang, mura ra kag kaning gibuhat nimo sa imong recorded. So dari lang kay na lang pwede ka magbuhat og script or whatever. Dari sa oral is kami tanan live maglantaw sa inyong discussion. Okay, so this will be through Google Meet, and again, ang problem nga imuhang i-discuss will be the problem nga naka-assign sa imuha. So for Alger, ang problem nga yung i-discuss is 2D. So ganiha ang iyang i-discuss sa iyang video recorded output kay 1A. So this time girumble nako. So lahi na pod ang iyang i-discuss sa to ang klase. So the same, you're going to use English language in discussing your answers. And again, this is worth 15% of your grade. So I think you are already aware about my grading system for this particular course. Nag-submit naman ko ninyo nga oral report, that is 15%. 15% then cutting video record output. Also, you have percent for the problem set. So just review it sa to ang G class. So this is worth again 15%, and students who failed to report on the said date will of course miss the 15% of their final grade. So only these dates kaning 8 and 9 uh, ang chance ninyo nga mag-report. So talagsara kay ta mag-meet sa nga live. So make sure during these dates maka-join mo and maka-report mo. So why am I doing this? Because mostly sa inyo ha kay mag-copy ra og answers sa inyong classmates. So magulat ra nga mag-answer ang classmates sa mga assignment and sit work ning kopyahon then submit. So dili ko maka-assess sa inyo ha og tarong kung naka-learn ba jud mo sa atong discussion, kung naglantaw ba jud mo sa video nga akong ipang discuss, di ba? Kay as I observe sa inyong mga exams kanang gamay ra kayong mga submissions. So problem solving na ko tanan, then gamay ra kayo ang mga naka-submit. Siguro na nakapos sa oras kay nagpaabot ra ang uban. So dili pud tanan. So I believe na puyoban nga nagtuon jud na ning kamot jud. So that is my very main reason why am I doing this, para ma-assess mo og tarong, because lisod kayo ang online, lisod kayo mag-assess og student kung naka-learn ba jud sila or wala, kay open tanan resources. So through this, so makampante ko nga that you have really learned. Okay, so again, the problem set, if beyond na sa December 7, because deadline na akong 7, because on December 8 and 9 will be our discussion sa atong klase. So of course kung nag-discuss na ta sa atong answers, then you are not allowed to submit na your answers kay pwede man nimo i-change ang imong mga answer. So that will be all for those nga mga dates sa December mo na tong activities nga buhaton. So if you have questions, feel free to message me sa Creeper or sa Messenger. Thank you.